Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make tomato no salada. It's another very easy salad using cherry tomato. It's so simple and full of umami that you may want to double the batch. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this tomato no salada, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 600 grams of cherry tomato, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon each of salt and garlic paste. Let's remove the stem of the cherry tomato and wash. Prepare a toothpick and pierce the bottom of the cherry tomato. This is the stem side. On the other side. Prepare boiling water and ice water. Cook tomato for 10 to 20 seconds, then take them out in ice water. Peel the skin and put in a bowl. All peeled. Sesame oil, salt, and garlic paste. Give it a gentle toss. And it's done. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The seasoning stays well on tomato because it's peeled and it's so flavorful. I hope you like it. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tomato no salada is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about dry curry here, which will also cover the main, and kabocha no soup here. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.